see. Over here you have the drill press. There's a nameplate right there. Hill, Clark and Company, Machine Tool Supplies, Boston, Mass. All of these are pieces related to the drill press. There's a couple different, I guess face plates you call them as well. That thing, whatever the heck that is. Another faceplate. There's also a faceplate on it, obviously, or table. Maybe it's a table you call it. A variety of interesting implements to go with it. And as far as I could tell, this thing would work just fine if you had it hooked up to a power source. Okay.